He'll die?
I'm going to fear the priest.
Okay.
Did.
He got whipped.
It's dead.
Trap!
Kiting.
Nice trap!
Wow, this guy is living.
Yahoo!
Focus
Nice.
stone? I don't know if that landed. Oh, he's dead. Nice.
They're from the Oceanic servers. Frostmourne? Or is
Yeah.
it Proudmourne?
No. It's Frostborn.
It's,
Good game.
I
Good
used to
game.
play on there when I was in Japan.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
How long were you there for?
I think it was like 3 years.
Oh, that's a long time.
I was goobing up with the Nationals.
Nice. Okay, Thunderbolt share a CD with Frost Trap? I don't know. I don't think so. I could be wrong.
We could try these dummies.
The DR?
Yeah.
Okay, try it. Try it. Where are you?
Never mind.
Never mind.
I think I went on the wrong one.
Oh. Oh, okay. So, how long on cooldown?
It shouldn't. It's not the same type of CC. One's a stun,
One's magic. Freezing trap's the magic thing.
Okay.
and it's not a stun. It breaks with damage.
Guys, can you talk to chat while I go eat?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Guys, can you talk to them in the Discord while I go eat? Thanks, Todd. Yes, I'm streaming late tonight. So I'm gonna eat and then I'll be back. We'll play some more threes. Practicing, I want to get higher rating. These games are very low rating. Okay, great. 1 second. It's cold. I should plug in my heater. Hold on. Damn it. God damn it. Alright. Hey, Cosmin. Alright, guys. I'm gonna be right back, okay? Thanks. I mean, you can AFK too if you want. Just, yeah. Alright, take it away, guys.